The crime of DWI is far from simple, and to understand how to defend it, you have to understand that it has 4 separate moving pieces. They're all separate, but they're all interrelated. The crime of DWI deals with a blood alcohol content currently of 0.8. You'd be surprised that not so long ago the crime of DWI was defined as a 0.10. And even before that, the crime of DWI was defined as a 0.15. Nothing has changed except we've changed the definition. It's a moving target. What used to be non-criminal is now criminal. And I suspect very soon the blood alcohol content will be a 0.06. The second part that you have to understand is there are 4 independent elements of a DWI case. The first one you probably understand. You've maybe experienced it. You've been arrested, handcuffed, held in jail, brought before a judge. You understand there's a criminal aspect of every DWI case. But what you may not know, independent of that, is an administrative or Department of Motor Vehicle, DMV aspect, unrelated, independent of the criminal part. It means that your driving license or your privilege to drive is controlled by a separate entity, the Department of Motor Vehicles, which is controlled by the governor. And every DWI not only has the criminal aspect, but has the licensing aspect also. When you can drive, how you can drive, if you'll ever be able to drive. But it's more complicated than that. There's a third element of the DWI case, civil asset forfeiture. That means the county civilly can sue you, and in Nassau County they will sue you every time to take your car, to seize your car. It's a civil lawsuit called civil asset forfeiture. It's based on a Nassau County or Suffolk County or New York City administrative code, not even a law by the state. And it says if you drive in a car and you're drunk, that's an instrumentality, a thing used to commit a crime, and we can sue you, the government can sue you to take that instrumentality. So, if you own a loan or money to the bank or a lease, you lose your car and you still have to pay back the loan or the lease. And many times it appears on your credit report as a repossession. There's yet a fourth complication. If you're involved in a crash, there's the insurance law. The insurance company, your own insurance company, even if you pay premium dollar, will not cover the damages to your car. And worse yet, if you're injured in a car crash and they allege a DWI, they will not pay your medical bills. So as you can see, there is no such thing as a simple DWI.